Okay, so I'm here with Steve and Peggy Stark. And Steve, you and I were talking earlier about how much of a witness this is to people, the work that we do here.
Yeah, I think people see and watching what we're doing, they think we're here to cut trees down and clean up brush and things like that. But really, that is just the tool that allows us to share with these people the love of Jesus Christ.
When we were crossing the street a while ago, just a passerby was driving by and she yelled out, "Thank you for all you do," because we had the LCMS disaster relief stuff on. And she was like, "Thank you so much for what you do." And so people know that we're here to help, and it's through Christ's love that we're here.
Wonderful. Thank you for all your work.
It's been a blessing to us.
It's a blessing for us.
It really
we've
is.
noticed that when we did Sunday school and things for 10 years. The blessing actually was on us, but we got to share that with a lot of different people, and that's what this week is.
Yeah.
Share the love of Jesus and help them out, shake their hand, and move on down the road.
Amen.
Done and help unload bunk beds.
Unload what?
Bunk beds. Bunk beds. That one's stuck in there.
Bunk beds for more volunteers, right?
Correct. I think there's 8 bunks, giving us 16 beds.
So we have room for more people to come on down and
Correct.
help out.
How long you can be down here?
Probably 4 months.
When did you go home?
I go some weekends.
You'll be down here 4 months.
I like to get home every 3 weeks at least for a long weekend. My wife and I, we do day.
Okay, so I'm here with Andy and Tiffany and Clayton and Nolan. And I know they weathered the storm, Hurricane Sally, when it came in. Were y'all actually here?
Yes.
Were you here?
We stayed here the entire night through the storm.
So how was that? How was that, Nolan?
Well, it was a lot of rain and it was really loud.
Really loud?
Yeah, the wind was loud and we had some trees bump the house and a lot of things hit the window, so it was a bumpy night.
So y'all had some trees down. How many trees did you have down? Did you count?
Yeah, we had 3 pecans and 2 oaks.
And trees on the house even?
Yes, right at the back door.
Okay. So it looks like this crew's pretty much about to finish here today for y'all. They've
Yes.
taken down all the trees. So what does that mean to y'all? Is that helpful for in the coming days and just recovering from this storm?
Huge relief.
Yeah, we wouldn't able to be able to do what they did in a day and a half would have literally taken us a year to do. We don't have chainsaws, the trucks, the trailers, and all the equipment and the manpower that they were able to provide. There's no way we could have done that on our own. And so even financially, being able to keep working and the boys keep going to school without interruption, and it's been huge.
Okay, so Vinny, you were here in the storm with your family. Who was here with you?
Me, my wife Lynn, and my son Dylan.
Okay, and did y'all stay up all night, like weathered out the storm? How was it?
Yeah, me and Lynn stayed up all night.
Did you? Was it kind of scary?
Everything was pitch black, so you just hear things flying around. You didn't really. When the water started coming in, that's when the insulation started coming down.
So you had a lot of roof damage. We can see that. And so tell us just a little bit about that roof damage. What caused that? Not a tree, but
No,
what?
it's just the wind that blew the shingles off.
Okay. And then you actually had water coming in. And then you got trees down, of course.